Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 12 classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. Number 1. A 1953 Studebaker Commander, listed at $10,000. According to the seller, this 1953 Studebaker has been owned since 1980. It reportedly rides on an Alustin chassis complete with an 8-point frame. However, despite its configuration, it has never been raced. Power comes from a Chevrolet LS6 engine with a roller cam, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a 300 stall converter. A B&M shifter is mounted on the tilt steering column. At the rear, the transmission terminates in a tapered Ford 9-inch rear axle running 4.56 gears. Stopping power is provided by four-wheel disc brakes, and the fuel cell is located in the trunk. As noted by the seller, the build includes a number of special body modifications. The hood, trunk, and door handles were shaved, the fuel filler door was deleted, the French-style headlights were removed, and the vent windows were removed in favor of full-length side windows. The bumpers have been narrowed and recessed for a sleeker look. Additional power accessories include power steering, windows, and trunk. The seller notes the car has been driven about 1,000 miles since completion and is open to offers or possible trades if something comes up. Located in Lebanon County, Pennsylvania. Number 2. A 1972 Chevrolet C10, listed at $34,000. As the seller notes, this 1967 C10 has undergone a number of special modifications. The roof was chopped off and suicide doors were added. The truck is powered by a newly rebuilt 383-stroker engine, which the seller claims has about 300 miles on it. Ancillary components such as the alternator, carburetor, distributor, intake manifold, and water pump are all listed as new, along with a complete engine internals refresh. Power is delivered through a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and the truck uses a 4.10 rear-end setup with 33-inch rear tires. A hydraulic tilt bed has been added. The seller frames the vehicle as a nearly finished project and emphasizes that your loss is your gain. Located in New Jersey. Number 3. A 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1, priced at $50,000. This 1971 Mustang is powered by a John Cazzi 520 big block equipped with a custom Hogan intake manifold and dual Holley 650 carburetors with a 10.5:1 compression ratio. The engine was designed to run on pump gas, and the seller states that the engine was professionally built and dyno tested. The car rides on a Mustang 2 front suspension with coilovers. The rear uses a 4-link suspension and a 9-inch rear end. Other upgrades include four-wheel disc brakes, power rack and pinion steering, and a full roll cage. The transmission is a 4-speed automatic with overdrive. The seller claims the car is in excellent condition and is road-friendly. Located in and Arundel County, Maryland, America. Sericat. Number 4. A 1965 Chevy 2 Nova, asking price $60,000. According to the seller, this 1965 Nova is powered by a blown 427.7 big block engine. Fuel is fed from a trunk-mounted fuel cell, and the car rides on a coilover suspension. Inside, the Nova features fresh fawn upholstery and a roll cage. The seller notes that the car has only been driven about 300 miles since its completion. The exterior is painted yellow, and overall, the car is described as having been professionally built. Located in Petersburg, West Virginia. Number 5. A 1966 AMC Rambler, listed at $21,000. As noted by the seller, this 1966 Rambler Prostreet is powered by a 400 small block mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. Power is sent to a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 4.10 gears and a limited slip differential. Actual track is not detailed. Suspension upgrades include coilovers, clean title in hand. The car is located in New Jersey, AS. Number 6. A 1937 Chevrolet Business Coupe, listed at $35,000. This 1937 Chevy is powered by a high-compression 350 small block mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The seller estimates it produces between 475 and 500 horsepower. Power is sent to a 9-inch Ford rear end. The car is equipped with performance headers and a custom exhaust system. Finished in a deep metallic blue, the car is a visual treat and has been garaged its entire life. According to the second owner, the car also features chrome valve covers and new components throughout. The seller notes a clean slate and is open to trade, ideally for a 55 or 56 Chevy. Located in Orchard Park, New York. Number 7. A 1938 Chrysler Royal, listed at $55,000. According to the seller, this 1938 Chrysler Prostreet V8 hot rod is powered by a 440 V8 engine equipped with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, mated to a 727 automatic transmission and 3.92 rear end. The front end uses a Mustang 2 style suspension setup with air ride, while braking and handling details are limited in the description. The car also comes with automatic doors, power accessories, windows, locks, trunk, and a custom tan leather interior with a Hurst shifter, digital gauges, and painless wiring harness. Finished in white with blue pearl, the car also features an electronic exhaust cutoff system. The seller notes that this is more of a comfortable cruiser than a race car. Located in Elkhart, Indiana. Number 8. A 1986 Chevrolet Malibu, listed at $15,000. This 1986 Malibu is powered by a 496 big block with aluminum snowflake heads, roller cam and rockers, and a Holley Dominator carburetor. It exhales through big tube headers and a 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust, while under the hood components include a chrome single-wire alternator. The transmission is a TH400 with a manual valve body, trans brake, and cheetah shifter paired with air solenoids, a delay box, and a 9-inch rear end on a ladder bar and coilover suspension. Braking is handled by front disc brakes with a line lock system. Inside, the car features a full roll cage with swing-out doors, a stock-style dash, and a custom two-tone interior. The hood and trunk lid are made of fiberglass, and all windows are said to be functional, along with lights, turn signals, and brake lights. The car rides on welded-on wheels. The seller is open to trades, but is not interested in bikes or boats. Located in New York City. Borough. Number 9. A 1966 Chevy 2 Nova, $52,000. This 1966 Chevy has a 385 5-stroke engine with AFR aluminum heads and has more than 1,100 miles on the drivetrain since completion. According to the seller, the car makes more than 460 horsepower to the rear wheels and is equipped with a complete nitrous kit, dual outlets, bottle, and heater. Power is sent through a 2-speed power glide transmission with line lock and transmission brake, which is connected to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.73 gears and locking. The suspension is a 4-link with adjustable coilovers front and rear, and braking is handled by Wilwood disc brakes all around. The car is equipped with a 3-inch exhaust and electric exhaust, along with LED headlights and turn signals, a no-wire harness, and a full set of Pro Comp ultralight gauges. The wheels are Billet Specialties wind lights mounted with Mickey Thompson E.T. Street SS tires in the rear and MT Sportsman SRS tires in the front. In the spring of 2023, the body was stripped, repainted, and reassembled with new weather stripping and seals throughout. The seller describes it as ready for a cruise night or car show, and is open to offers or trades of equal value. Located in Afton, Oklahoma. Number 10. A 1956 Volvo PV 544, listed at $20,000. According to the seller, this 1956 Volvo is a professional street-style project powered by a blown 350 small block with a 671 supercharger, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The exterior is painted two-tone red and silver, and the car is currently registered and insured with antique plates, street legal in Arkansas. As noted by the seller, the car is street legal and drivable, but some areas still need some work and attention. The seller is open to trades for a 1940s coupe or a 1950s truck. Located in Waldron, Arkansas. Number 11. A 1970 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $36,000. This 1970 Nova is powered by a 468 big block Chevy engine with a 12:1 compression ratio and roller cam. According to the seller, the car has previously run low 10-second quarter-mile runs, although they have never personally tracked it. The exterior is described as rust-free and clean with no paint bubbles. Under the hood, the Nova runs on a fuel mix of 1/3 110-octane racing fuel and 2/3 93-octane pump gas, and is equipped with a full 20-gallon fuel cell plus 10 gallons of racing fuel. Inside, the interior is new, and the car is equipped with a full roll cage. The Turbo 400 transmission has a stall converter at around 3,500 RPM and a manual shift valve body. The suspension is a full rear half setup with 4 links and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears. The car reportedly runs quietly and is highway-friendly despite its power, offering strong acceleration. The seller states that they prefer a manual transmission and will consider trades involving a manual, but not projects, boats, motorcycles, land, or equipment. Located in Greensboro, North Carolina. Number 12. A 1947 Jeep Willis truck, priced at $49,000. This 1947 Willis is equipped with a Chevy 350/30 motor with a mild camshaft, mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The exhaust system includes stainless steel headers and pipes. The truck uses a Ford PY rear end with 4.10 gears and a Mustang 2 front suspension. Safety features include a NH-approved safety bar and safety cage, and the seller also includes wheel arches. The intake is a Summit high ram tunnel with an Edelbrock 650 carburetor, as the seller notes. It comes with a purple paint job and charcoal interior. The pickup has 2,500 miles on it and has a clean warranty. Located in Fairfield County, Connecticut, America. Sericat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications.